In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to forward your GoDaddy website email to your Gmail account. It's a simple and effective method that keeps all your emails in one place for easier management, better organization, and faster response. But before we dive into the actual steps, make sure you have access to your GoDaddy email and Office dashboard. You will need your GoDaddy username and password to perform this operation. The first thing you need to do is to sign in to your GoDaddy email and Office dashboard. This is the command center for managing all of your GoDaddy email features. When signing in, use your GoDaddy username and password. This should be the same information you used when you initially set up your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll be ready to take the next step. After signing in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you will find a variety of options, but the one you want to select is named Forwards. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you configure what happens to emails received at your GoDaddy email address. Once you're in the Forward section, your next action is to click Add Forward. This option will allow you to create a new forwarding rule so that all incoming mail to your GoDaddy email will automatically be sent to another address of your choosing. You will then be asked to enter a unique name for the forwarding address. This name will be used to identify this particular forward in the future, so pick a distinctive and easily recognizable name. For instance, if you're forwarding to a Gmail account you use primarily for business, you might enter Business Gmail as the unique name. Now we're almost done. Look for a field asking for the destination email address. You will enter your Gmail address in this field. This is the specific inbox where you want your GoDaddy emails to land. So, take the time to double-check to ensure you enter this correctly. A simple typographical error could cause your emails to go into the ether, never to be seen again. Finally, your penultimate task is to click or select Save. Doing this applies the settings you've just configured, initiating the forwarding of emails from your GoDaddy email to your Gmail address. And just like that, you have successfully configured your GoDaddy account to forward incoming emails to your Gmail address. Remember, you can edit these settings at any time by logging back into your GoDaddy dashboard, navigating to Forwards, and selecting the forwarding rule you want to modify. But for now, rest easy knowing that you have streamlined your email management. Remember, staying organized in the digital world is as important as in the physical one. This method of email organization is one step in the right direction. Keep exploring more organizational tools and methods to improve your digital life efficiency. Till next time, happy navigating!